Morning students. Today we are going to discuss decimal numbers or fractional decimals. Already we learnt about 6th class about decimal numbers and their additions and subtractions. Now let us review our understanding and learn about multiplication and division. So I will explain this. First of all, decimal numbers. So how to expand of decimal numbers? See, I will explain one question here. 1, 2, 7, 1, 4 given here. So here how to expand about this number? See, first of all, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 here. So I write 1 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Okay, this is the just number. Only here given, only number given. Now I will explain one decimal number. See, 12714.2. So see here one number given. So this is not a just number. This is the decimal number. Why? Because decimal number here given point. So this point have before have what is a whole part and point after have here this number. This is the decimal part. Understood now? See how to expand these like given number. See here one given ones. So this point before ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and here given no two. This is tenth place. Which place this? Tenth. Then after here again one number having this which place? Hundredth. Okay, you add THS. So see here 1 into which place this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus here given point after this number 2 means which telling I first of all 2 means what? 10th place. 10th means 2 into 1 by 10. 10th means 10th part. Okay, whole part to 10th part. That's why. So you expand this like when are giving these decimal number, you expand about this like. Understood now? So now we are going to directly discuss exercise 5. Okay, see very easy here. I will explain now. Carefully understand these questions. Exercise 5. Which one is greater? Here given 4 problems. In these 4 problems, I will explain only 2 problems. Remaining problems you only solve. See here, first one given 0.7 or 0.07. Here in these both numbers, both decimal numbers, which one is greatest number asking? So very easy. Which one is greatest here? Here have 0.7. Here have 0.07. So here point after see first one point before 0 have. Here also point before 0 have. You see now point after. Here given 7. Here given 0.7. So which one is biggest here? This is the biggest. Which one is 0.7? Understood? So you first one find out the before number, then after find out after number. So which one is greatest? Right here. Okay. Very easy. So see again next one here. Third one I'll explain. 1.47 or 1.51. See here now you see point before 1, here also point before 1. Both are same here. Now see point after. Here have 47. You don't read 47. Point after you read single digit. 47. Here have 51. Which one is biggest? 47 less than 51. That's why which one is biggest here? 1.51. Understood now? So remaining 2 questions you want to solve that. So next one see second bit. Express the following as rupees using decimals. So here given are paise given. Now you represent or now you express rupees. Okay. See first of all here first one given here 9 paise. 9 paise given here. So in this 9 paise now you convert rupee. So you first of all you know what is 1 rupee. 1 rupee equal to how many paise? You first of all know this. How many paise? 100 paise. Okay. 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 100 paise. Here given what? Paise given. You convert these paise in rupees. How to convert paise to rupees? Here you have paise. So 1 paise equal to 1 paisa equal to how many rupees? This 100 left side getting what happened? Divisible. So 1 by 100 what? Rupees. Okay. Now 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Now you see very easy. Now 9 means 9 by 2. What now means into? Here this is paise. Paise means what? Only 1 paise. So 1 paise means how many rupees? 1 by 100 rupees. Okay. R means what? Rupees. 1 by 100 rupees. Now 9 1 the 9. 9 by what? 100. So now this is the decimal fraction. Here what asking you express in decimal number. So see here downside how many zeros have here? Downside 2 zeros have. Now you keep point to 2 places before you put point. So 2 here 2 zeros is 2 places before point. Already 1 place have here. Only 1 place not having there. What write is 0 right there. And after put a point. So what 0.09 rupees. Understood now? So see here 2 zeros. That's why 2 places before point. Already 1 place have here. Only 1 place not having what right here 0. So I am written 0. 90 before what 0. So how many rupees? 9 paise equal to how many rupees? 0.09 rupees. Understood now this? Write down. So next one. I explain. Second one see third one equally solve. 77 rupees 7 paise. So very easy. These also already are giving 77 rupees only given here. So leave this. You find out now this only 7 paise means you know already 1 paisa equal to how many rupees? 1 by 100 rupees. So here 77 rupees plus here 7 into 1 7 by 100 rupees. Now 77 rupees plus 2 zeros have here means 2 places before point 0.07 rupees. Now all addition now. So see how to add here 77 here given 77 here given 0.07. How to add these both decimal numbers? So see here 77 is the whole part, not the decimal part. Here whole part what you have 0 only have here whole part. So remaining here decimal part not only decimal part right 2 zeros. Why? Because here 2 places after. So point below point keep 9 here 0 7 and before what have here whole part 0 have here 0 right here. Now do addition 0 plus 7 7 0 plus 0 0 point is point keep 7 plus 0 7 here also 7. How many rupees? How many paise? Total 77.07 rupees. You're asking total, you convert to rupees to asking. That's why 77 rupees 7 paise is equal to how many rupees totally? 77.07 rupees. Understood now this? Very easy. You do add this like addition do. Okay? I don't know. Okay, completed? Now. See here, third bit. Express 10 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So first of all, we will discuss how many centimeters equal to how many millimeters. That now we will discuss here. See, I will explain now. Here already given 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. You know already this. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Already this given here in your book. Now follow these instructions. Okay. Now see here express 10 centimeter in meter and kilometer. 10 centimeters given here. What given? 10 centimeter. You convert in meters and kilometers. So convert what to meters and kilometers. So first of all we will convert meters. You already know centimeter given. You convert in meter. 1 centimeter. So see here 1 meter convert to meter. No, 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. Now you convert what centimeter. So see 1 centimeter. How much centimeter? 1 centimeter equal to 1 by this 100 we are getting 100 what meters. So understand now. So now here 10 means 10 right into centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to how many meters? 1 by 100 meters. Now, so 10 ones are 10. 10 by 100. What are meters is equal to 1, 2. 2 zeros are here. Now we keep 2 places before point. Already 2 places are here. So 10 before point. So 0.10 what are meters. Or here 1 after 0. 0 right, don't write, no problem. So you think 0.10 what are meters. Let's show now. So here 10 centimeters equal to converting meters. Asking meter means how to convert meters means. First of all take here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. And you convert centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. That's why you are getting 0.10 what are meters. Now these centimeters you again convert what asking here kilometers also convert asking. So already we was converted here 0.10 meters. Centimeters to meter already. These also centimeters to meter getting now. Now take this one, then after convert to kilometer. So see here. Total what have 0.10 meters are here. So these to be converting kilometer. You already know here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Okay. So here 1 meter. You want what 1 meter? 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay. You are asking kilometer convert of this. So now 0.1 into meter. 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 0.1 ones are 0.1 by 1000 what kilometer. Now in here how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So now see here decimal number have here 0.1. Now this point remove and you count now here to count. Don't count here. Okay. 0.10 are right, 0.1 are right, and that's why that time only. That's why I am written at 0.1 only. So 0.1. So now this point remove. Now 1, 2, 3 places have now here. Now see here already 1 place have. Remaining 2 places not have here. So here give 0, 1 0 again 1 0. Total 3 zeros before point. So 0.0001 what are kilometer. So this is the answer. So already 10 centimeter we will convert to meters means 0.10 or 0.1 meters. Then after 0.0001 kilometers 10 centimeter equal to. Understood this? Any doubt here? See here 0.1 here decimal number means downside 3 zeros is there. 3 zeros is there means you find out this point remove and count here only 1 0 and 2 3. Total 3 places before point. That's why I written 3 places before point. So these are solving with this now. Understood now? Right. So next question. Express 45 millimeters in centimeters, meters, kilometers. Express 45 millimeters to what are here? Centimeter, meter, and kilometer. So see here 45 millimeters given. Here getting centimeter. So see, you know already centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? So 10 millimeters. Okay. Now you convert in 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeters? So this 10 millimeters divisible. 1 by 10 what centimeters. You want now centimeters here. That's why. So 45 millimeters means 1 millimeter equal to how many centimeters? 1 by 10 centimeters. So 45 1 the 45. 45 by what? 10 what centimeter. So here downside only 1 0 is there. So 1 place before point. So 1 place before 5 before point. 4.5 what centimeter. So this is the answer. 45 millimeter you can convert in centimeter is 4.5 centimeters. Understood now this? Right up. Next, this only convert what asking meters asking. Already I am taking 45 millimeter centimeter. Now I am taking this. This time converting now meters. Both are same now. I am saying here. Now I am converting what? Meters to converting. 4.5 taking now. 4.5 centimeters. See 4.5 centimeter. So you know you find out here. Already you know 1 meter equal to Here counting meter, that's why 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 was centimeter have here. Convert 1 centimeter equal to how much? 1 by what 100 meters. Understood? Now 4.5 is there into centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to how many meters? 1 by 100 meters. So 4.5 1 the 4.5 by 100 what meters. Now see, I already told you downside 2 zeros is there. 2 places before point. First of all, remove this point. Now we count here only 2 places. Already 1 place have here. So remaining here keep 0. And after 2 places getting. And after keep point. So 0.045 what meters. Understood? This is the answer. So see, downside 2 zeros is there. So point remove. Then after 2 places before point. Already 1 place have here. So here keep 0. So what getting? 0.045. Understood now this? What is that? 45 millimeters equal to how many meters? 0.045 meters. Now you take 0.045 meters and now convert into kilometers. See here how to convert that. Carefully write in your notebook. Next, 0.045 meters. Now see here. Already you know 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Okay. Now 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay. 1 by 1000 how we getting sir means here into have 1000 this into left side coming what happened division. So 1 by 1000 kilometers. So now see here what given meters given. You know 1 meter equal to how many kilometers? 1 by 1000. So 0.045 into 1 by 1000 kilometers. So now 0.045 was the 0.045 by 1000 what kilometers. So now here 3 places is there. How many places is there? 3 places. Now you remove this point and after you count here 3 0 to 3 places before point. Already 1 place have here. Again 0 0. Here 0 1 2 3 places before point. 0.00045. 0.000 0.3440. Total here 1 2 3 1 2 3 440 45 what kilometers. Understood? So 45 millimeter to you convert in kilometers is how many kilometers? 0.00045. Why sir means here total 3 zeros is there. 3 places before point. Already 1 place is there. So again one keep here 1 0. Again 1 0. Total 3 places before point. So 1 2 3 4 4 zeros. After 4 5. Understood this now? Write in your notes. Okay. Next matter. Fourth meter. Express the following in kilograms. I explain this bit only one question. Remaining you will solve. See here. Here given 190 grams. 190 grams, you convert to kilograms. You already know here 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. You are giving grams. Now you convert grams. So 1 gram equal to how many kilograms? 1 by 1000 kilograms. You want to 1 by this one. So 190 means 190 into 1 gram equal to how many kilogram? 1 by 1000 kilogram. Now see here 190 1 the 190 by 1000 means 1000 what are kilograms. So now we convert in decimal number. So downside 3 zeros is there. What are 3 zeros is there. So 3 places before what are point. That's why 1 2 3 before point. What getting you 0.190 what are kilogram. Understood? Right. So next one beta, I'll explain fifth bit. Next bit, remaining two you only solve one. So see here, fifth bit, write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Expanded form, how to write? See, I already told just before 55.5 expanded form. See, 5 which place? Tens place. So 5 tens place plus this 5 which place? Ones place plus point after 10th place. So 5 into 1 by 10. Understood now? This is first one is completed. Very easy. So let's me again last one see here. Fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. 1 which place? 1 to 10 100, 1000 place. So 1000 plus 2 which place? 100th place. Plus 3 which place? 10th place. Plus 4 which place? 1st place. Plus 5 which place? 10th place. So 5 into 1 by 10. Plus 6 which place? 100th place. So 6 into 1 by 100. So this is the expandable form. What is that? Expandable form of these decimal numbers. Understood now? So remaining 6 ones here explained. Write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. See, this right in your notebook. Remaining are removed. Next, 6th bit, first question, 3.46. What asking? Place value asking. Place value, PV. Here 3 place value asking. All numbers to only find out 3 place value. So what is the place value of 3? This is the 1's place. Which place is the 1's place? That's why we write 3 only. 3 into 1, 3 only. So next, I will explain. Last one, fifth bit, 794.037. So now here write this place value. So here 3 only place value asking. That's why this 10th place, this which place? 100th place. Which place? 100th. So 100th means 3 by 100. Why? Because 3 into 1 by 100. So you convert in decimal number. So downside 2 zeros given here. So 2 places before point. Already 1 place have here. So again 1 place not means that 0 keep. 0 before point. So what is that? 0.03. So this 794.037 in 3 value place value what means 0.03. This 3 place value. Understand now this? So this like you write here place values. Okay. Okay, beta. I am going to end my class. What I am given to you homework, that homework you solve. Tomorrow we will discuss about remaining word problems. Okay? Thank you very much.